Now, people's asked me before about the heavy cover titanium skillet and stuff sticking. So I used butter, as you saw, and I buttered it up, and I've been taking it on and off the heat. And as you can see, it's not sticking at all. So just keep it moving around, take it on off the heat, and it'll cook good for you. So this morning, thought I'd come over here to camp and make me some breakfast. And as you saw, I've got a new wood heater and got it going. I come over here last night and put it up, come in yesterday, and so I put it all up yesterday and lit a fire in it. It works great. I just wanted something different over here and for the shelter. And some days if the wind's blowing just right, you get smoked out, and I thought, hey, why not just get a wood stove and go that route. And so far I'm liking it. So I figured I'd come over here and make me some breakfast. I've had a cold, so I haven't been talking a lot. I might be kind of stopped up feeling, or sounding, I mean. But I thought I'd come over here and make me some scrambled eggs and ham with some cheese and some tortilla and some hot sauce. And got a couple of new items, as always. This, as you saw, is a Wood Not Gear coffee press. And got my favorite coffee, Scabland's Bushcraft blend dark roast coffee. Love this coffee. And one of my best friends got me this for Christmas. He's on Instagram as mtill1, and he got me a Firebox coffee grinder, so that way I ain't got to grind the coffee at the house. I can do it over here. So I really appreciate that mtill1 a whole bunch. It works really good. It's the first day I got to use it. So I was going to melt me up some cheese here in my eggs and ham, put it in a tortilla, and sit back and relax and eat me some breakfast. For the last, I guess, 3 or 4 days, I don't know, it's been constant rain over here. So everything's wet. Like I say, I got sick New Year's Day. I wound up getting sick. And I think today is January the 5th. But this is yesterday was the first sun that I've saw since I guess New Year's Eve. But it's rained a bunch. So I was, let's say, not feeling good, sick, and laid up at the house and worked. It was kind of not really stressful, but it just kind of sucked this week, to be honest with you, especially yesterday. But anyway, there ain't nothing better than coming over here to the woods and cooking you up some breakfast and hanging out to forget all of your worries. All right. So I'm gonna eat this up, and I'll go back and show you some of the gear and talk about some of the stuff after I eat my breakfast. Well, breakfast was great. Full as a tick. So I want to show you this. This is the Wood Not Gear coffee press. Now, as you saw the way I made it earlier, you take and get your water hot. Once you get your water hot, you add your coffee grounds. Let it steep. 4 or 5 minutes, however long you want to let it steep, I guess. Then you take the press part of it here, push down, which holds all your coffee grounds at the bottom. Now I'm explaining all this in case anybody didn't even know what a coffee press was. Probably most people do. But then it comes with a lid, kind of like the, I don't know, them tumbler type lids that you can put on it and keep it hot and drink. Now this is made out of titanium. The filter press part of it is not titanium, and the lead is. And the lead, once it's all put together, you can screw the lead onto the filter, and it comes with a little, I don't know, knob that's just, it's heavy. It's steel and it's really heavy. So what I did is kind of put my own touch on it. I just carved me out one out of cedar and just inserted a little nut in there that's the same size, so that way it's a lot less weight, and kind of gives it on my own little personal touch to it. So I highly recommend this. This is awesome. I come over last night and I keep some coffee grounds in my regular day ruck that's already been ground, and I come over and made me a cup of coffee last night. I just set it on the wood stove and got my water hot, and works great. The wood stove, let me show you it. Let me bring you over here. As you can see, I've got my heavy cover frying pan filled with water sitting on it right now to kind of boil some of the eggs and stuff off of it. But this is a Camp Chef brand Alpine wood stove, and I'm definitely impressed with it. Like I said, it's only the second time I've used it, but it's pretty good size, and I wasn't wanting anything that I could pack or nothing like that. I wanted something a little bit bigger, more heavier and robust that I could just keep over here at the shelter. And so this works out perfect. I got it off Amazon for like $200, and works really well. And got the pipe there going up past the shelter. And I know before anybody comments, I've got to get up there and trim up some of them cedar limbs, I'm sorry. But it's got a spark arrestor up there at the top. Yep, definitely happy with it. And sure wish it would come with snow. I'd come over here and fire it up and sit back and relax in the shelter. But I still make a fire in the shelter. Some days, if the wind's blowing a certain way, it'll blow it in there on you. And I thought, well, some days I get over here and I really don't want, to be smoked out. I thought, heck, what about this wood heater? That would work awesome. So we got it. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to come over, make a cool little video, just kind of cooking stuff and showing you some of this new gear that I got. And I know the lighting right now sucks. The sun's right behind me, so I'm putting a shadow on everything. But anyway, I sure appreciate y'all watching, and I'll get another video out as quick as I can. I got some ideas for some videos to come out. Like I say, I just got to get time to do them, and the only time I've got to play in the woods is on the weekends. And to do this and to do family stuff, it's kind of hard. So you got to kind of take precedence on different things. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you watching. And if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification to let you know when I put up a video. And check me out on Instagram. It's CLP Bushcraft on Instagram. Like I said, I post a lot of pics on Instagram. That's kind of my main deal that I do. But go give me a follow there. And till the next video, guys, I'll see y'all then. Y'all have a good one.